Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, Alfa Romeo Giulietta 1.4 TB MultiAir Sprint Euro 6 start-stop sprint model in white. Doesn't that look beautiful? Okay, 67,000 miles by one owner from new. Cam belt just replaced. What a pretty car. £6,295. Those little daytime LED running lights in the headlights, they're nice. Got front fog lamps, the 8-hole alloy wheels, or are they? 2, 3, 4, 5-hole alloy wheels. They look good. Pretty car, the Sprint. Sell lots of these. Seem very popular. 1.4 petrol turbo. Just been serviced. Nice brake discs and brake pads. Look like fairly new discs. Nice Nexon tyres. So inside, got lots of black suede with the Alfa embossed, red stitching, cloth on the outside, sport seats, nice mats with the red borders, Sprint embossed on the headrest, lovely multifunction leather steering wheel, got DAB radio, got Bluetooth, got the DNA button down there for sport, normal, and economy. Yeah, got the auxiliary inputs for your phone, play your music. Super clean. Tell it's one owner from new. Just generally a very nice little car. As I say, 67,000 miles, one owner. Nice and clean in there. Paintwork all looks to be original. Wheels in lovely condition. Pretty car. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Did I say 69,000 miles it's done. 69,099, just come up 69,000. Aircon. Driver's seat, nice condition, not worn. Very pretty that. £6,295. Drives really well. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. Now this video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. If you would subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you'll get a little notification every time we upload a fresh video into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.